be the mirror of India is not an easy task. Here is a nation critically different in its diversity of thought and practice, yet incredibly similar in sharing dreams of growth and prosperity. There's one entity that has achieved a sense of integrity in India's diversity. Prasar Bharati, the voice and the vision of India. For over 85 years now, millions of Indians have woken up to a familiar tune of hope and happiness. AIR, or All India Radio, has witnessed the emerging history of a resurgent India. And then arrived Doordarshan. The world of India and the world for India was never the same again. The daily transmission of television that began in the 60s became an effective tool to educate, inform, and entertain.
Now, we've put no icing on the cake because this is not a celebration.
Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi's first main engagement in Geneva.
3 words that have remained guiding factors to meet India's comprehensive and challenging public service broadcasting demands. In 1982, after shifting to colour, Doordarshan took on rapid expansion plans. The target was to connect every nook and corner of India through the latest available technology, a process that is still going strong. In 1997, Prasar Bharati arrived to unite AIR and Doordarshan and give them greater autonomy. Since then, both organizations have developed stronger roots, a wider reach, and immaculate identities. After 15 years, AIR has consolidated its terrestrial capabilities. It has also become a prime player in the FM segment. Doordarshan now has a multitude of regional channels crisscrossing the nation and separate channels dedicated to specialized tasks.
जी हाँ, सिगरेट के कुछ कश मैंने अपने लंग्स में भी उतार लिए, पर मैंने जल्द ही रियलाइज किया कि मैं सिगरेट को नहीं, सिगरेट मुझे पी रही है.
With a sense of renewed responsibility that comes with increased autonomy, Prasar Bharati remained firm in its commitment towards public service broadcasting in India.
Good morning. I am Anubha Rohatgi. The headline.
News was always a primary focus with AIR and Doordarshan.
Namaskar, this is Late Edition tonight.
These newscasts enjoyed the nation's confidence.
बराक ओबामा एक बार फिर से अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति चुन लिए गए।
Best is yet to come.
सूची ने आज उपराष्ट्रपति हामिद अंसारी से मुलाकात की।
Virender Sehwag slams 100 after 2 years, his 23rd Test 100 to help India gain the early momentum in the first Test against England.
फिल्म जिसके बारे में है वो है सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट।
Our ability and expertise in live coverage still remains unparalleled in India. Doordarshan established its sports coverage credentials with the live telecast of the Asian Games in 1982.
Michael Holding tried to swing that straight ball with a leg. It's another wicket for Amnath. More delighted he looks.
To bring to the discerning Indian audience the best of international and domestic sports, a free-to-air DD Sports channel arrived.
You're watching DD Sports.
Showcasing India's swan song of spectacles as the host broadcaster of the Delhi Commonwealth Games. Scaling new heights with the real-time telecast of the London Olympics from London, straight into Indian homes.
This is the Doordarshan Network, and you're watching The Essence of India.
Opening windows into India, Doordarshan now boasts of a select bouquet of offerings for its international viewers.
आप देख रहे हैं डीडी भारती।
DD Direct Plus is India's only completely free DTH service, designed to reach out to maximum viewers.
मनोरंजन का संसार सीधे आपके द्वार।
With every passing day, Doordarshan is scaling new heights of technology.
भारत की खोज में मैं इतने दिन मसरूफ तो रहा, मगर आखिर कुछ पाया भी कि नहीं।
Doordarshan has also partnered with some of the nation's foremost film directors to bring to life literary masterpieces from different languages.
Om Suryaya Namo Vakam.
कुछ लोग तो अपने बाप का परिचय देने में भी शर्माते हैं।
अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ कैसी ये
Both AIR and Doordarshan have a vast treasure trove of classic renditions by masters of their craft. Their archives are busy with the task of preserving and disseminating this treasure. In sync with the modern times, Prasar Bharati websites and social networking tools are gaining popularity across generations. India trusts Prasar Bharati. In this achievement lies its true strength. Challenges will always be there, but Prasar Bharati will meet them with competence and courage, and always end up celebrating the idea called India. Sharing the same vision, the same sense of overwhelming emotions. Love, pride, togetherness, through smiles and tears. Each time, for everyone, everywhere.